Hello sir, open your text, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Paste your code in the first section here. Paste. Now click on next dots. When you click here, some fields appear like that: title, image and description. So we need to copy whatever all of them. So first of all, title. So simply copy your title, copy and paste. Now for image. Click to enlarge, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address, copy and paste. Now for description. Simply copy your text of description like this one, copy. Now open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. Paste your code in the here. If you want to edit anything, you can here. So now click on simply HTML. Now and then click on clean. It's mean they have any problem, like they have any style or any text in bigger or smaller, it's fixed automatically. So simply click on clean. It's better way to make it better look of description. And copy your code, copy. Now paste here in this description section. Now when everything's done, like title, image and description, so simply click on make code. When you click here, this code is ready. This code you need to copy and paste in EB description section. But if you want to test it how it's look like that, simply click on preview. When you click here, your code is here, your preview is here as a title, image and description. I hope you understand. Thanks.